I'm Paula Roberts from Happy Yoga Wales, and today we're going to explore how emotions flow through us, both the ones that feel heavy or challenging and their lighter, more uplifting opposites. It's a chance to notice what's present, invite a sense of balance and reconnect with the natural ease within you. There's no right or wrong way to feel here, just take it one breath at a time. Begin by finding a comfortable seated or lying position. Let your body relax fully into the support of the ground beneath you. Close your eyes or soften your gaze and take 3 slow, steady breaths. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale softly through the mouth, letting go of tension. Allow yourself to arrive here in this moment exactly as you are, with no need to change or fix anything. Bring your attention inward. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling emotionally without judgment. If there's a particular emotion present, perhaps heaviness, sluggishness, or worry, acknowledge it gently as if greeting an old friend. Notice where this feeling resides in your body. Is it your chest, your stomach, or elsewhere? Observe its size, texture, or weight, letting curiosity guide you. Now invite your mind to explore the opposite of that feeling. If there's heaviness, imagine lightness. If there's worry, imagine peace. If there's sluggishness, imagine vitality. Take a moment to recall a time that you felt this opposite emotion. Picture it vividly. Bring into mind a memory, sensation, or image that evokes that feeling. Notice where this opposite feeling resides in your body. Explore its texture, warmth, or movement. Let it expand with each breath, as though you're inviting it to flow freely through you. Now hold both emotions in your awareness, the original feeling and its opposite. Notice how they can coexist like waves in the same ocean. There's no need to choose one over the other. Instead, allow yourself to rest in the space that holds both, recognizing that emotions are part of a natural flow. Letting go of this visualization, begin to deepen your breath now, allowing each inhale to bring energy and each exhale to bring ease. If it feels right, place a hand on your heart, offering yourself kindness and gratitude for this time. When you're ready, blink your eyes open or lift your gaze and carry this sense of balance and flow with you as you move into your day.